Severe thunderstorm warning!
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern DeKalb County and north.
Although in my recon it came up as an unrecognized statement!
Eastern Noble County and north central Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:30 p.m. a severe thunderstorm was located near Hillcrest and moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: ping pong ball size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: wind.
I was not expecting this at all!
Outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding increase. The severe thunderstorm will be near Malden, Kirkland around 6:45 p.m. DeKalb around 6:50 p.m. Sycamore and Cortland around 6:55 p.m. Chino around 7 o'clock p.m. Hampshire around 7:10 p.m. Other locations in the warning include Burlington. Other locations affected: Northern Illinois University,